in control of this, and bring it down. I'm probably gonna I may start looking for shorts, to be honest, with how we're trucking right now. Um, and the gap's filled. Let's see what happens at this 940 level. Bit of resistance. $9.50 is filling up more and more. We also have orders at $9.60, so we do see it could see some upside still. So I'm gonna give it a minute or a couple minutes into open even and just see what direction. Because um long I mean hindsight, like this was a good long opportunity, but at the same time we didn't know how much room it had. I mean, this can very much keep going up, and then right at open it just tanks as well, so it doesn't hurt to just wait being this close. There's that 940. We just filled bunch of buy orders. Let's see what happens at 950 now. 20 more seconds till open. Let's see. 10 more seconds. Bunch of sellers stepping in. We're probably gonna fill like I think we'll fill like 60 and then crash, to be honest. And we're open. Bunch of sell orders coming in. There's the buy orders coming in. Gonna give it a minute still because I don't trust this long. We're pretty high up, so unless I see some confident long setup, I'm not taking it. And there's the shorts trying to short. I'm gonna try a small short here if we hold this. I'm gonna see how the 1 minute closes though before I short it. Nope. Buyers are buying it up. Gonna see what happens at 970. We are trying to come down though, so what is this? I'm gonna try to top tick 790. Just one micro. I'm gonna put a stop loss though pretty tight as well. Let's see if we get there though. I don't see much room beyond that. Maybe 980. And I'm in. Let's see. Nope. Gonna add 3 more. I know I brought my average down, but let's see. Gonna move my stop to the green, just locking $20. I may get stopped out here. Yep, got stopped out. That's fine. Yeah, I mean, it was a risky play regardless, to be honest. I still think shorts are valid. I'm gonna retry with 3 micros and just move my stop up a little bit. Let's see. There we go. I'd still rather get stopped out in the green than in the red, any day. Surprisingly, I didn't get stopped out in my funded though. I took the same shorts in my funded as well, and I didn't get stopped out. Done on my funded. And this is why I like to wait a couple minutes into open, because like you never know what the real move is. So like if I were to just FOMO into a long, that long would have booked by now. I'm just gonna move my TP up and see if I get that. All right, I'm gonna come back to. Let's see if I could get it. I'm gonna target the lows here as well. If we pass through these levels here, I'll scale in. If I get stopped out here, I'm locking these up. I don't want to go too red. I want to hit my DLL for 300. I do think though we come down. Let's see. Let me know if you guys have any questions as well of like why I took this trade, or like how do I know to enter versus not enter? Um, it's kind of just an estimate of like usually like previous highs, like realistically a good stop would be here because this level, if we cross here, like it's gonna get invalidated. I also knew like there were big orders up to 99 or 980. So if it were to go any up higher, like it's likely not gonna like the shorts is probably not valid yet. And then those when I'm trying to do like limit orders and limit in, it's kind of a guess, right? It's not like here where I know for sure if I enter it's gonna go my way. So it's like you also want to try to keep your stop as tight as you can, just because it's like a top tick trade, and you realistically don't want it to really go into the red. You don't want to have a wide stop in those cases because you just don't know what's gonna happen when you get filled. Because I was trying to short it as we were going up. We need to break this 920 level and hold it for me to see this short through. Otherwise, once we break this 920, I'm gonna move my stop down. More sellers stepping in, so we should see a push. Uh, yeah, these wicks are annoying. Like I moved it, but I'm gonna see how we go. I want this low here. I actually want 804, but I'm gonna take the safe way. But we need to first cross this level here as well. I'm gonna add 3 here and still keep my stop at break even. Move my stop up because I just need 1200 here. So I'm just gonna keep it. Move my TP up a little bit. Also, let me mark out my original trade as well. Entered at 50. There we go. We're taking out, so like you see these liquidity levels here. That's why this is why we're waking so hard because we have so much open liquidity just sitting around. I'm gonna move my stop and lock in 300, and now I'm just gonna let it run. Um, I'm done on my trade data accounts as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take this on my Tradeify account as well. Just small size here. Risk about that much. I'm already up 500 on these. So like I'm okay with giving some back, but I do think we're gonna hit this level here. I'm gonna add 3 more here and just let it run. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna move my stop down a little bit more, lock in 500. Let's see if I get that full 1100. If I get this, I pass at least one of my future desk accounts. If not, tomorrow again, on the eval. But it'll be nice if I do pass these because I've been working through these for a while now. I'm gonna add a little bit more, move my stop up a little bit. I just don't want to get stopped out. Move my TP up on these a little bit. Don't stop hunt me. Please don't stop hunt me. Keep going. Keep trucking. Just hit my TP, please, and pass me. Come on. A little bit more. Yeah, that's what I'm that's what I was targeting, this like London low right here. I don't need that much in TP for these evals, so I don't have it there. But that's a good target because we will probably reach that. I'm still gonna leave my stop there. We're really close though. Come on, hit it. Just hit it. Let me go here really quick and just move my stop down so I don't get back anything. And then go back here. Come on, don't miss me by a tick. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. Please don't go and stop hunt me. I'm gonna move my stop down a little bit more. Oh, and Q, just come down for the love of God. Got stopped out here. I'm gonna re-add here. It's a good entry here. I'm gonna just target the lows again. I want to stop staring at the other one and just let that play out. Come on. Come on down, please. Come on. Me? Yeah. I hate intraday because of this. Exactly like this. This would have blown accounts. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm gonna be so pissed if it just comes and hits my. Don't you dare. I'm not forcing a trade. I'm already in this trade. I like I'm okay with just walking away with 200. I mean, because I was so close. Yeah, I'm out. All right. I mean, it is what it is. Let's see here. We're coming. I mean, I may take another trade on these, to be honest, and try to pass. I'm gonna. I'm giving it a minute though. Nope, longs are very short. Strong. Uh, yeah, I don't know what to do. I think I may just lock it up, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna lock it up. I don't want to give. I don't want to go red today. Um, yeah, we're pretty much gonna retrace this candle. It's 9:30. Let me see this. I could lock it. I still have my Tradeify account, so I could still trade my Tradeify account if I really wanted to. I'm not gonna fuck around with my evals that I'm already close to passing. I don't want to like end up red on those. Even this, like I'm still up a decent amount. So like even these, like I may still walk away. Did it just not take the trade? Wait, give me 1 second. Did my trade sinker just not take the trade I trade? Which is, I mean, that's fine with me. That wasn't a good trade anyway. Um, yeah, I would say like be careful trading this. Oh yeah, my Tradeovite didn't take the trade. Awesome. I'm not trading this then. I'm gonna take that as a blessing and not even touch my Tradeovite account. I don't know why I didn't take it, but I'm gonna count that as a blessing and not fuck around and find out. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Green overall, small green, right, big green, but green. I do have to run in like 9 minutes. I have a meeting, but um, there is still big orders at 9:50, so that's why we're probably coming up. We could probably see another short back down as well. I recommend if you really don't need to, don't trade today because it's gonna be choppy. Um, if you don't trust yourself sitting with an account open, lock it up. Don't blow an account on a range day when there's good days coming. Preserve your fundeds. If anything, trade evals on days like today. Um, if you want to really trade, but I'm done. I'm out. I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to fuck around and find out today. I know, Chris, you wanted to see how I read the dome. The dome is pretty easy. I just look for where the big orders are. And that's how I get my levels. So like right and I see what side is having the bigger orders as well. So like right now, like we don't see much on the downside, but we see a lot of big orders on the upside. Like we see this 940, we see this 945, 950, we're probably gonna have 960, 970 as well that we don't see yet. But we're gonna see like these type of levels. You're gonna see those type of levels here. And I just look for the bright. I ignore all the small ones. I mainly look at the big orders that are there because those are the ones that are going to matter. Does that make sense? Um, any last questions? Because otherwise, I'm heading out. I got a meeting to hop on too soon. I'm done for the day, though. I'm not touching this with the 10-foot pole. I cannot deal with this. I wish I took the $800 to be honest, but it is what it is. I can't really. I was trying to trust my trade. Yeah, my trade didn't get copied to my Tradeovite account for some reason, which is fine. I mean, I wouldn't have gone red either way. Like I could show you guys my Tradeovite account. If we start dumping in the PM, I may run and take a trade, but otherwise, I may not even look at the charts the rest of the day. I'm pretty tired as well, so it's like I don't really want to. Yeah, I'm up almost $600. I'm not gonna mess around with this. Like I said, I'm gonna take it as a blessing. My trade synchro didn't work, so I'm not gonna try to push my luck there. But yeah, I would say whoever's trading this, be really careful. Like I said, I don't even recommend trading this. Like we we haven't broken out of this real range. We're probably, let's see what the daily looks like really quick. Let me hide everything. Yeah, like we're kind of just ranging, to be honest. So just be careful. Just be careful trading this. We're at the point of control level. So like I'm kind of thinking of when we may break to the downside, at least to here, at some point. I don't trade, yeah, it's Tradeovite. I hate Tradeovite. But I just do scalps there. But I've been trying to trade with my Project X. I don't know why it's not working though. That is an issue, but that's not an issue I'm gonna try to figure out today. Anyway, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I made some bucks in my funded. So I'm happy. Green is green. I'll pass these evils at some point this week. God knows when. I'm not gonna force it though. Don't force passing evals, guys. Don't be like me that blows up 50 evals. Um, but yeah. Alright, cool. I'll talk to you guys later though. Hope this stream helped. At me in the chat if you guys need me.